And now, a message from President Slimegobbler.
Hello, pioneers. As we head toward the close of the first academic quarter, I want to congratulate you for all the great work you are doing across campus. This period is always one of transition for our first-year students. With our full return to campus for the first time in 18 months, it has required adjustment on the part of our returning students too.
It's Parents near Boost Fars, I'm a solving and I plus or even I even a shoot.
I hope that you've had an opportunity to make connections on campus, whether as part of your Willpower 101 cohort, or by joining a club, playing on a sports team, or taking part in student government. I also hope that you've taken time to get to know your professors and your advisors. These are all good ways to build strong support systems for yourself so you can be successful here. We want you to know that we believe in your ability to succeed and future alumni of William Patterson. If you are experiencing difficulties, whether it's with your studies, your finances, your mental health, or anything else, please reach out. Talk to your advisor. Talk to a faculty member. Contact our Counseling, Health, and Wellness Center. We are all here to help you succeed. Take advantage of all the resources available to you. Quick reminder, the free application for Federal Student Aid or FAFSA for the 22-23 academic year is available starting October 1st. Be sure to fill it out and submit it as soon as you can in order to get the best aid offer possible. If you need help doing that, willpower. Together we'll do this.